You sit. So, let us start a 30-second meditation today. Take off your specs. Everybody keep quiet. Take off your specs. Close your eyes. Take off your specs. Atharva, take off your specs and take it seriously. Close your eyes. Fold your hands. Concentrate on Almighty God and express your thanks and gratitude for everything got in life. Take your parents' blessings by touching their feet mentally. Feel that all positive energy entering your mind, becoming stronger. Whatever you discuss today, we shall remember forever. Rub your hands, touch your eyeballs, touch your cheeks and open a gentle smile. So, that was a 30-second meditation. It helps in increasing your concentration power. And remember, anybody who has achieved success in life, everybody please keep quiet now. Anybody who has achieved success in life, the most amount of credit goes to concentration power. Remember that. Whatever you do, concentration matters most. Whatever you do, and there will be lots of people who will be distracting you. So take care. Take care. Some sound may distract you. Mind may sometimes go to some other angle. So you have to take care of it. Nandini Chaurasia. Please take care. No. You please absolutely serious. And remember just 1 second. You remember Ramakrishna Mission Maharaj. His name is Sarvapriyananda Maharaj. He is the Maharaj of New York Vedanta Society, where Swami Vivekananda opened that first time, New York. So sometimes listen to his lectures. He said once he went to one of his classmates, and that classmate was doing some IIT or something engineering he was doing, that classmate. And he went to his room and he called that student and he didn't hear. Then he shouted, didn't hear. He was reading something. Then he went near his leg, he touched, he didn't feel. And then he just took him like this. So that is concentration. We may not be able to do that much, forgetting everything, but if one can do any problem in life, in education, in studies, in service, in job, you can understand, you can find the solution. That concentration, and this steps of meditation helps you to control your mind and to put your mind in the proper direction. Suppose now you are going to learn management accounting, managerial accounting. Now your mind should be here only. But when you are playing cricket, you don't think these things. You only bat and ball, you think that way. When you are doing some other thing, you concentrate. So that discipline. And your mind is like water, you can move anyway. Just like I told you that mind is bigger than even the 3 worlds. Sarga, Martha, Patal is a more than universe. How? Because at any second you can bring everything in mind. I told you earlier also. So you can put your mind anywhere you like. But if you put your mind everywhere, then you cannot do what you do. So concentrate. Take it seriously. I want everybody's maximum success in life, in exam, in life, in service, in everything. As a teacher, I wish it every day. I wish it. I feel it that they should be doing very good. They should be excel. That is my mind, says inner mind. I may not be telling you every time, but you are my student. I need not tell you, you should feel. I feel that student must be excelling, that student must be very good, must be having good result, good service, good success in life and good family and everything. So that is from my mind. So you do accordingly. I will have to today, repeat the class that I did earlier, because most of the students were not there. And this is a very, very interesting subject. I have studied and I take classes on different subjects of commerce and management and accountancy and taxation, but I found it most interesting as a teacher, and it is having lot of psychological points are there. That day some students were there, they enjoyed some small topics. I share only some small points and they were very happy. I remember looking at their face, I was very happy. But that was a simple, very insignificant thing I told you that day. But many things are there, you are going to learn these things, many things are there. So don't miss the class. It is for your exam, for your management, for your job and for your personal life also. You will find lot of things here. Actually teacher teaches only management accounting by in book, you learn management accounting, only those formula, but I see differently. You can have lot of things, your personality will develop. And I am sure that in 3 hours, 4 hours, if I study this way, and if I study or you study, no problem. You shall not get tired, these types of things. You shall not get tired. These types of subject, you will find it. You take care of your exam, your note, your mathematical part, but think something else also. Yes, I am drawing to that side, and enjoy it. And later on, I will ask which particular point was most interesting to you, which was inspiring to you. I will ask these types of questions also, we will share. So, our subject is managerial accountancy. I will be going a bit fast here, but all students are allowed, everybody is allowed to ask me if there is any doubt anywhere later on, because already 2 days I have taken here in these things. But it does not mean those who did not come, they will be losing. It is not that. You can take my help. Of course, you can take my help. Because this is a preliminary study. You remember how I studied your accountancy, journal, ledger, and then balance sheet, then all these things. I took major time there I gave. Then later on, everything became easy. I will take in these things, major time will give in the preliminary things. You will find all other topics are very easy. But suppose you do not give time here, then other topics will be boring or tough for you. And you gave time in financial accounting last semester, that's why you should find it interesting. So, what is financial accounting? You know, some accounting which records all past data. Whatever has already happened in past, you record it. Remember last semester you did, Ram sold goods, Sam received money, someone started business, someone paid money into bank, deposited, withdrew, all past tense, remember. In one sentence I can explain what you learnt in the first term. All are past tense if you go by tense. You will not, IIT will purchase computer, you cannot make any journal entry. This is not a transaction. This is not a transaction. Will, no. Transaction means something has already happened, event happened. I told you. So, starting from that point of view, you remember one type of accounting that we have already learned is financial accounting. Let me not write today financial accounting, just listen without any tension. And another accounting is that this is cost accounting. Cost accounting means how to compute cost, what is the cost, different types of cost, and cost accounting records past data, also looks for future, because in cost accounting you have to estimate. But suppose you want to you have taken an order from someone to make a furniture, then he asks what will be the cost. You are going to make furniture for him, you will be asking what is the cost. You have not made anything, then you make estimation, how much wood, how much labor, how much this, that, then you make estimation that this is, suppose it is 25,000, then ask him, you pay 30,000. So, you have to know the cost, estimate for future also. And earlier you have spent some money on different items, this is past, this is also then cost accounting. The two account clear, one is financial, one is cost. And I gave a poem, you remember, most of the students are not there. Cost accounting and financial accounting, the two things are most important thing, cost accounting and financial accounting. And my poem was that with the results of these two, what management accountants do is management accounting. Simplest definition I have given you. One is financial accounting, past. One is cost accounting, you have understood. So, this financial accounting, cost accounting, these two, with the result of these two, what management accountants do is management accounting. Simplest definition I have given, but I will advise you to study definitions given by other authors, at least 10, 12 definitions you study from book, from Google, available resources. If you do not get, I will give you. You will learn what other people say about management accounting. Now, management accounting is also known as managerial accounting, the same thing. What is it? It is the same accounting. What same accounting? Financial and cost. Same accounting presented in a different manner. For whom? For management. What purpose? So that management can take decision easily. Same accounting you present differently, so that management can take decision properly. Because in management, everybody may not understand accounting. You cannot force everybody has to become chartered accountant to be the director. You cannot do that. Anybody can be, having money can be. So, those people, even those who understand accounting, suppose chartered accountant, they also may not be in a position to take correct decision simply looking at the financial accounting, may not be. Simply look at the balance sheet, you cannot take decision. I will give you all supporting examples, I will give you in course of time. Just look at the balance sheet, you cannot take decision, wrong decision. How? I will show you later. So, simply looking at the financial accounting or cost accounting, decisions cannot be taken properly. So, you present, see, most important word here is present. Present, the most important word, presentation. Presentation, present is the most important word in management accounting. You present the data in such a way, so that just look at and take decision easily. But apart from that, many other techniques that I am going to teach you. So, we have understood that there are 3 types of account altogether, 3 branches of accounting. What are the 3 branches of accounting? Financial accounting, cost accounting, and you can remember now? I am not writing, but please you note. In the evening you note these things I taught. Sometimes you, because these things will be coming in the exam. Next there may be a question, what are the 3 branches of accounting? I have not given any note, but you should be in a position to write now. And what are the distinction in one line, the financial accounting or past data, and then managerial accounting or future, like that now. And remember, managerial accounting or management accounting, these are only for future. And one day also I asked you and told you that I asked different places, everybody said the same answer. Those who are not present that day, I am asking them today one question. Those who are Ritesh na, उसका नाम क्या है? हर्षित. देखो, who was not present that day, you shall tell me future is certain or uncertain. Those who are not present, please tell me future is certain or uncertain? Uncertain. Everybody says that future is, no, those who are not present. उसको सिखा दिया, देखो तुम सिखा नहीं. Everybody will say this. And since childhood days, all places in the world I have seen that people have been, Atharva, please control yourself, don't talk to her, she is concentrating to class, don't disturb her. Okay, everybody says future is uncertain, bhavishyat anishchita kya hoga. Everybody teaches like, in every language I have seen, that is my study, in every language. I asked in Maharashtra, Pune, I asked in Mumbai, I asked in Thailand, I asked in Singapore. Really? No, I visited those places. I attended these types of classes. So, I asked this question and everybody said uncertain. But I said no. Future is absolutely certain to happen. But what will happen in future, that is uncertain. Srichan, how the dialogue? You didn't get earlier? Future is absolutely certain to happen. But what will happen, that is uncertain. Agreed? I also told, these are all, these are coming out from experience of teaching only. This type of dialogues you will not find in the book, it is coming from experience of teaching. I also experience in teaching, I also learn, I think, so this thing coming. And if you find anything you can tell me against these points, you can tell me. So, since future is certain, मेरा dialogue क्या था? कौन बोलेगा? Had future been uncertain, there would have been no problem. This year 2026 may not come. अगर ऐसे है तो no problem. 2030 may not come. Next Sunday, no chance of coming. Is it like that? No. Absolutely sure the Sunday is coming, absolutely sure 2026 is coming, absolutely sure 2030 is coming, 2047 is coming. Mallika, I am feeling bad, and you also really feeling bad, really feeling bad. I want to talk to me only in the class. If you want, you can talk to me only. These things I don't like. Please take care, and don't let that situation will not come that I have to scold you, I have to do. I hate those things. एक बार बोल दे तो हो गया बस. These are very important things. Whatever, every class is important. Please take care, and this class will be going as per my rules. But if you want anything, you can directly ask me. No, sir. So it means no, you are giving 30% attention. Those who are not talking, giving 100% attention. That matters. Please don't do it. So, and I also forget. See, I have nothing here. So I have to think and tell you, no. And that is the main teaching. If I read the book, all meaningless. किताब लेके पढ़ते रहा लिखो, ये बेकार है. So what I have achieved, I am sharing that way, and you have every right to talk to me, every right to talk to me. Then books are with you. So future is absolutely certain to happen. So dialogue क्या था? कौन बोलेगा? अच्छा मैं बोल देता हूँ. Since future is absolutely certain to happen, we dream for future, we look for future, we think for future, we work for future, we do everything for future. Why? So that future comes to our favor. You do it personally, you do it business. You think this thing personally and think it business. अच्छा से मान दिया ना तो तुमको इसको सोचने के, it will compel you to think whatever. Then forget about management accounting, think whatever I am talking now. These things will be helping you personally also. कि क्या होगा next month में, क्या होगा next year में, what will happen in 47. Our honorable Prime Minister thinking what will happen in 47, and he inspired all Indians to think what we are going to have in 47. That is Viksit Bharat 2047. Futuristic ना, this is excellent, you know, क्या बोलेगा इसको एक vision दे दिया. It connect to in this only my subject. Okay, so FA, CA and MA everybody understood. CA space. Solar system is, बोलो ना, बोलो 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 बोलो. I like it. I like it. Please बोलो. नहीं नहीं हंसो मत. You please seriously. हाँ? नहीं मैं सुनना पड़ेगा ना question. At least I have to get the question. नहीं नहीं मैं सुना ही नहीं question. Don't talk among yourself. Talk to me only one by one. जब मैं बोलूँगा you discuss, then you discuss. Otherwise talk to me directly. So I have answer. So that when solar system will be swallowed by black hole, whatever saying, that will be in future. Even if it is not swallowed, then future will be coming. When it will be swallowed, tell me. After 2 years, after 5 years, after 20 years, that is future. After 50 years, that is future. So future is coming, 50 years coming. And what will be coming after 50 years, I don't know. It will be swallowed, it will be vomiting, I don't know. Think, सोच रहा. Okay, come here. Okay, management accounting has connection with cost accounting. There is a topic in the syllabus. We shall find how connected. Here I will be giving little bit, then I will share PDF. You can also study. Management accounting, I have already told my poem. One is FA, one is CA. With the result of these two, whatever management accounting do, is management accounting. I have already told in one poem, connected. So these things you have to enlarge. How connected? Okay. Meaning of managerial accounting. पढ़ो अथर्व पढ़ो फटाफट, तुम्हारा 1 मिनट टाइम है, इधर आके पढ़ो जोर से.
Managerial accounting, also called management accounting, is a specialized branch of accounting that focuses on providing relevant, timely and reliable information to managers for effective planning, controlling and decision making within an organization.
Okay, next.
Unlike financial accounting, which is meant mainly for external stakeholders, investors, creditors, regulators, government.
Clear. No need to explain more. Fast forward. Okay. Definition in simple word. नंदिनी भारतीय पढ़ो जोर से.
Managerial accounting is the application of accounting principles and techniques to assist management in planning, decision making and controlling business operations.
इधर आ जाओ, फिर से पढ़ो. इधर आ जाओ. पढ़ो.
Managerial accounting is the application of accounting principles and techniques to assist management in planning, decision making and controlling business operations effectively.
So हो जाएगा. This is already explained, easy है. Okay. Key features of managerial accounting, श्रीचंद इधर आ जाओ. Are you finding it boring? Because now I'm going theory by theory, then we shall go for practical. So please bear with this. Come here. करो ये रिकॉर्ड हो जाएगा करो पर हाथ में रखो read.
So first one is decision oriented. The primary goal is to support management in making informed business decisions. Example, should the company launch a new product, outsource production, or change the pricing strategy? Second is a future oriented. While financial accounting records past events, manager accounting looks forward. It uses tools like budget, forecast, and cost to volume profit analysis to guide future actions. Third one is analytical in nature. It doesn't just record transactions but analyzes and interprets them. Next is it converts raw accounting data into useful insights for business strategies.
Okay. Gaurav, come here. Thank you. Come here. Okay, then you have seen that management, these are the key features. These are going to form your theory questions. But forget about question, you have to understand this thing to understand the whole subject. Number one was decision oriented. Management accounting always there is some decision making. With this accounting, you always go for what decision. Whenever you want to go for some decision, take his help. Number two, always future oriented. I've already told you. Always future. And always, Gaurav, always analytical. You analyze every point. Gaurav, come. Come here. Come here. Get up. You have to read from here. Key features. হাতে রাখো
প্রথম থেকে ডিসিশন
No,
ওরিয়েন্টেড
this is done. Next one.
ইন্টারনাল ইউজ
Yes,
only.
management accounting is only for internal use. Remember, Companies Act 2013 or Income Tax Act 1961, they are not making it compulsory to be published. Only for internal management. There's a point to be noted. Chalo.
Reports are prepared for managers and sir, reports are prepared for managers and are not published like financial statements. They are often confidential and tailored to specific
You are
managerial
understanding?
needs.
For internal purposes. And then many subjects are put together in management accounting. I have told you cost accounting and financial accounting, but see how many will tell you. Multidisciplinary.
Sir, multidisciplinary approach, managerial accounting combines knowledge from the accounting, economics, statistics, finance and management. Example, a pricing design may require cost data, accounting, demand forecast, economics, probability of
Economics, demand forecast, statistics, and many subjects are coming here. I have given only glimpse of it that it is multidisciplinary. Thank you. Thank you. Come. Yeah. विशाल का सामने आ जाओ आ जाओ. Be quick. Yeah. You give some examples. नाम?
एग्जाम्पल इन
आपका नाम?
सोहम
आपका नाम?
सोहम
Show home. आ जाओ. Okay, read.
preparing a sale budget for the next quarter,
These are
deciding
examples.
Yes.
What are done generally in management accounting? Anybody can ask you in interview. You can be asked these questions when you go for facing interview. This is question. What do you know about management accounting? You please. Example.
deciding whether to make or buy a
Make or buy.
component.
I don't have car. I come by cab, and if I purchase my car, which is cheaper? My friends say you purchase a car because you are spending so much money to cabs, and my calculation different. See, I am paying 1,000 every day to the cab, and I came here say 8 days, 8,000. This is oh okay, make and buy. It's different. Another one is hire and buy. It's not may not be hire and buy. I hire the car, I pay 8,000. I buy the car, then every month 15,000 installment, 15,000 driver, and say 5,000-6,000 petrol. Nothing. So I'm not purchasing. See, this is not something which is common for everybody. It depends on the particular case. It depends on the particular case. I'm giving only example. Chalo. Then you make or buy. Suppose you are making some machine, a small part of it, you can make it, or that part you can purchase from outside. Which is better? You go by calculation and advice. These types of things. Next.
analyzing whether to accept a special order at a discounted price,
I'll give you this example. Next पढ़ो.
evaluating the profitability of different product lines, comparing actual versus budget performance
ठीक
to
है.
identify
ठीक है.
inefficiencies.
Okay, you do one thing. वो मोबाइल के लिए आओ ऑफ करके. अभी नहीं चाहिए.